How to fix lag problem in Minecraft. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix lag problem in Minecraft. Before you overhaul your Minecraft settings and network equipment, make sure your software and operating system are optimized and updated. For the best results, gaming-related software should be kept up to date. Start by confirming that you're running the latest version of Windows. To do so, navigate to the Windows Update panel in Settings and check for updates. The Minecraft launcher keeps your game updated to the latest version automatically. Graphics drivers are frequently updated with performance improvements and game-specific optimizations. Alternatively, you can download the latest drivers manually from the manufacturer's website. Before you start making changes to Minecraft's default settings, take note of your current level of performance. Other applications can compete with Minecraft for system resources, reducing in-game performance. Pull up the Task Manager to see a list of the applications that are currently open. Streaming and capturing high-resolution gameplay require markedly more resources than playing the game on its own. While in video settings, you will also want to reduce or turn off any graphical effects you can live without. Reduce the graphics settings to adjust a variety of small touches, including vignette and transparency effects that make the game world look more nuanced and lifelike. Once you have a solid feel for your present FPS, you're ready to try giving your Minecraft FPS a boost. Resolution determines the number of pixels the game is rendered in. Turning it down allows your system to render the game faster, improving your FPS. If you have a variable refresh rate monitor, enable G-Sync or FreeSync technology in your GPU settings instead. On the other hand, texture packs designed to bolster performance may yield a modest improvement. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.